Hey guys, OpenVPN is a popular and secure VPN protocol that you can manually set up on macOS for better privacy. The process requires a VPN client like TunnelBlick or the official OpenVPN Connect app. Here's how to activate OpenVPN on Mac step by step. Go to TunnelBlick website or the OpenVPN Connect official site and download the macOS version. TunnelBlick is free, widely used option for macOS OpenVPN connections. So, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the VPN client on your Mac. Then, grant necessary permissions when prompted. Download the .ovpn configuration files from your VPN provider. These files contain the server details needed to connect. Now, open TunnelBlick or OpenVPN Connect and drag and drop the .ovpn files into the app or use the import option to add them. Now, select the imported configuration from the VPN client list, click Connect and enter your VPN username and password if required. Once connected, check your IP using whatismyipaddress.com to confirm that the VPN is active and you should see your VPN's IP, not your actual one. So activating OpenVPN on macOS is simple with TunnelBlick and a valid configuration file. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.